Hello Miss, my name is Timotius. My name 121922209, my class 122B37 Sistem Informasi. Okay Miss, tonight I'm explain to hardware. Hardware is a collective term used to describe any of the physical component of an analog or digital computer. Computer hardware can be categorized as having either internal or external component. Internal component include items such as the motherboard, central processing unit or CPU, random access memory or RAM, hard drive, optical drive, heatsink, power supply, transistor, chip, graphic processing unit atau GPU, network interface card, and universal serial bus atau USB port. This component collective process or store the instruction delivered by the program or operating system or OS. External component, also called peripheral component, are those items that are often connected to the computer in order to control either its input or output. Common input components include a mouse, keyboard, microphone, camera, touchpad, stylus, joystick, scanner, USB flash drive or memory card, monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, and earphone or earbud are all examples of output computer hardware components. All these hardware devices are designed to either provide instruction to the software or render result from in execution. Type of hardware include the following: motherboard. Motherboard is explained. The motherboard is the computer central communication backbone connectivity point through which all component and external peripheral connect. The motherboard is the main print circuit board in a computer, also called the mainboard. The mainboard holds important components, including the CPU, RAM, power supply, graphic card, and sound card. Next, CPU. The CPU is responsible for processing most of the computer data, turning input into output. Next, RAM. The hardware in computer where the OS, application program, and data that are being used are kept so the device processor can quickly reach them. As the main memory of a computer, RAM is much faster to read from and write to than other types of storage, including a hard disk drive, solid state drive, and optical drive. RAM is volatile, meaning that then remain in RAM the computer is on, but is long when the computer is turned off. The OS and other files are reloaded into RAM, usually from an SSD or HDD when the computer is rebooted. Next, display screen. A display screen may be an internal monitor or it may be built into the computer. A touchscreen display is sensitive to pressure. As such, a user interacts with the device by touching picture or word on the screen. HDD, a non-volatile memory atau NVMe hardware device, and HDD stores OS file, application, program, media, and other documents. SSD. SSD type non-volatile storage device that store persistent data on solid-state flash memory. An SSD consists of flash controller and non-flash memory, unlike an HDD and HDD doesn't have a moving part. SSD use flash-based memory which is significantly faster than traditional mechanical hard disks. Next, graphic card. Responsible for rendering graphic is a computer and projecting information onto on a screen. A graphic card aims to remove the processing strain from the processor or RAM. Next, removable drive. Any type of storage device that can be removed from a computer while the system is running, including USB card and optical discs such as compact disc, Blu-ray disc, and digital versatile disc or DVD. Next and the last, power supply. The power supply converts the power from the outlet into usable power for the other component inside the computer. For example, a desktop computer with a high-end motherboard, a custom liquid cooling loop, and dual GPU will need a higher watt height computer power supply than a system that is not so complex. Okay, it's explain hardware and its part. Thank you, Miss. Goodbye.